Hey, I'm Lana Hill for HISD Now. It is Monday, October 13th, and today we're spotlighting Wisdom High School. Several HISD students are partnering with NASA. Pre-K Parent Paloozas return this week. Campus upgrades are underway, and HISD PD takes home a win for a great cause. Plus, your Game of the Week scores and trunk or treat details. A quick update from our facilities and maintenance operations team on some major capital improvement projects across the district. HVAC replacements are already complete at Harvard Elementary, Lanier Middle School, McGregor Elementary, and the school at St. George Place. More work is currently underway at Lanier, Elrod, Fondren, Meyerland, T.H. Rogers, and Waltrip, with upgrades like rooftop units, chillers, boilers, and exhaust fans in progress. And when it comes to roofing, 2 partial projects are complete, and 5 full roofing projects are scheduled to kick off in November. A group of HISD students are diving into the world of engineering, design, and innovation through an exciting new 8-week STEM program powered by Space Center Houston and the Cactus Jack Foundation, founded by Houston native and rapper Travis Scott. Students will team up with real NASA engineers for hands-on lessons and take on real-world space challenges, all while using cutting-edge tools like CAD modeling, 3D printing, and advanced fabrication technology.
Today we have 24 middle school students out of Lawson and Hartman Middle School that are participating in the pilot program, which is a partnership. The program is actually Zone 713. It's a partnership between the Cactus Jack Foundation, the Cactus Design Center, and Space Center Houston. They are actually going to be challenged in an 8-week program to solve challenges on Mars.
We got to see a lot of the space shuttles, how they were made. We got to speak with a lot of amazing speakers, and they told us all about their journeys, especially with their, especially in the space, especially in the universe, and how everything works, if they're comfortable, if they're uncomfortable, and basically we just got to learn a lot about how astronauts actually work in space, and I thought that was really cool.
I got to understand how space affects the human body when astronauts are in space and out of space, and I got to learn how to understand problems I could fix or problems that astronauts face in space and possible ways, and it made me think of possible ways to fix them.
The program wraps up in December with a final showcase at Space Center Houston, where students will present their designs to industry experts and even Travis Scott himself. And congrats to the HISD Police Department for taking 3rd place at the annual High Water Truck Pull and Car Show this weekend in Bel Air. HISD PD was the only school district police department to compete, going head-to-head with local law enforcement agencies, all to raise funds for Special Olympics Texas. We had 2 big matchups this weekend on the gridiron. First up, Madison strolled past Sterling 35-20. With the win, Madison bumped their record to 5-1, while Sterling now sits at 3-4. Next up, Yates faced off against North Forest on Saturday. In the end, Yates rolled past North Forest 56-6. The Lions remain undefeated. North Forest sits at 4-2. Well, our Campus Close-Up series this week is taking us to Wisdom High School, home of the Generals. This diverse campus has a lot to be proud of, starting with a big jump from a D to a B rating this year. Wisdom has standout programs in CTE classes, including a woodshop class, a fine arts department with band, dance, and more, and an award-winning ROTC program. We caught up with Principal Bush about all those great things and much more. You can check out that full conversation now on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll be spotlighting Wisdom all week long. Well, parents, if you have a little one at home, HISD's Pre-K Parent Palooza is popping up again tomorrow from 4 to 5 at the Neff Early Learning Center. These events give families the info and support they need to get their kids pre-K ready. We've been hosting these events all month long. If you can't make it to tomorrow's event, just look for this flyer on our social media and scan that QR code to register for a future date. And as you start making plans for trick-or-treating this year, don't forget about the HISD Police Department's 2nd annual Trunk or Treat event. It's a safe, family-friendly night filled with candy, music, games, costumes, and more, all in one fun spot. Mark your calendar. It's happening Wednesday, October 29th from 5 to 7 at the High School for Law and Justice. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for logging on and connecting with us. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any new stories or important reminders, and we will see you tomorrow.